Okay, Mark the Bearded Tech Ski and coming to you from the show floor bump-in day, Integrate 2025. I've found another likely candidate who loves to get on camera. He's over here. Let's go and see if we can tap him on the shoulder. Here he is. There's a few blokes here that love the camera. Apparently it's not just me. But you know, we'll see how we go. Here's a guy I haven't seen for a while.
Hey, honey.
Hey, mate. Hi, honey. I'm home. It's good to see you, Jace.
I was just about to go get some lunch.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you're not before you spend a hot minute with me.
Well, I can do a hot minute if
Especially
you
now
want.
you called me honey. Hey, you know how the hot minute works?
Yeah.
You got a minute to tell everyone why they need to come and see you at this show. I'm going. You've got about 10 seconds to think about it before I press go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Let me press go over here and bang and start.
Okay, the hot minute.
The hot minute.
Well,
Welcome.
we're here at Integrate 2025, so at the Lightware booth. The Mark is here with me again. So we're just building on last year.
Again.
Well, yeah, but I've got my chopped on, so
yeah, you're good.
So yeah, this year we're just showing one of our unique products, the HCM40, which is our extended desktop UCX. So that's a cool, unique product.
Yep.
We've got some new cables. We've all gone up to 100-watt cables, still passive as well. And then we're actually trying to get back into our traditional AV products. So HDBaseT, fixed crosspoints, because some manufacturers are dropping those products.
Yes.
So Lightware still build right up to 80 by 80. So we're going to show traditional AV products as well.
Nice.
And we're going to have our C pop-up, which is our new cable manager as well.
Yeah, it's a clever little thing.
So we'll have that. So just come and see us. Lots of people. Wednesday's going to be crazy, but we'll look forward to seeing you. And we'll see you for the show. Yeah.
Mate, quick one though. Why does everyone just disperse whenever I come over? Like, you just go, they're like, oh no, here's Mark. And
I thought it was only Coman.
Yeah. Don't worry about him.
Yeah.
Mate, thanks for spending the hot minute with Mark.
I appreciate it, mate. I'll see you in the show.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Cheers.